What's up, everybody? We're back today. Cold, gloomy day, but I wanted to bring you guys some information about that giveaway we're doing. So here it is. These are the sample sizes that we're going to be giving away. This is the Salts Gone solution. This will make 1 gallon of Salts Gone, which we have pre-mixed in here, and we're going to kind of give you a demonstration of how well it works. For applying it, you mix it into the sprayer. Just a basic garden sprayer. I bought this over at Ace. Dump that in there. Fill it up to about 1 gallon, or if you want to use a milk jug, 1 gallon to pre-make the solution. But the 1 gallon will do 1 car, and you just spray it down. So what it's going to do is this is going to help dissolve the salt and help repel the salt during the winter time. You can find more information about Salts Gone on their website, and I'll link that down below there. We do this service here in Illinois for some cars and fleets like trucks and that kind of stuff, to help protect your vehicle from salt. So let's get started. So we're going to go around the caliber. You'll see the other video that I did before was with the charger. Same solution, very simple. Spray it down. You should have a little bit of a suds to it. I learned a lot about this product over the summer after I did a lot of research with it. And just kind of hose it down, and what you'll do is you'll let it sit there for a little bit, and then you'll just rinse it down with the hose. And that is all you have to do. Okay, so we're gonna get back to the caliber. Check it out. And we're just gonna hose it down. Very super simple. You guys can do this at home. Nothing special with what I do. I just buy the product in bulk and try to help out with some of the details as I work through them and help protect some of the vehicles over the winter. So there you have it. That is all it takes to do a Salts Gone vehicle and help protect it over the winter time. Now you can use this stuff if you get up underneath the vehicle. You can spray it underneath as the undercarriage, which I probably should have done on this one, and I'll probably do, see how well it's going to act, because like I said, I've already got rust on the car, so it doesn't really matter. This is kind of a demo car that we use for trying to promote some of our products. I might do it to the wife's vehicle. She don't really have any rust on hers. It is just a gloomy day today. I'm like not looking forward to winter this year. They're saying it's gonna be pretty bad, so. But as you guys see, we did get it all hosed off. They say this product you can leave it on even after you spray it on, but I've never done that. Well, I can't say that. I did it once on the Charger, and they left a film on it I didn't like. So that's typically why I try to hose it off like that. The detail today, we're going to be doing the Saltcon as well too, to help protect over the winter for one of our customers. So yeah, you know, I want to give a huge shout out Creative Garage over in Las Vegas. You know, you guys have been commenting a lot of my posts. You guys seem like you do about the same things that we do here. I know this ain't no S13 but I do have plans where I do want to turbo this car and do some work to it, but for right now it is my daily driver. We're not going to really do anything to it, we're just going to leave it. You can kind of drive it around. Once we get the 240 done, then maybe I might revisit that, and that could be the next project that we start working on, or I might just try to go find an SRT4 and start building that one. So I'm finding that this caliper's pretty cool to drive, it's pretty fun. Definitely got to be a stick shift, or it's just no fun at all. So yeah, what are you guys doing? There's my poochies there. They're like loving this weather, aren't you guys? Yeah, you guys are loving this weather, aren't you? Yeah. So okay, so we also want to give an update on 240. Haven't done much with it. As you can see, it's still not on jack stands. I have driven it a few times. Motor's still torn apart. We still gotta get some work done on this. I just haven't had time. But I wanted to bring you guys an update on that. We do have the head that we started stripping down and getting ready. But we do have some paint for this. We're gonna finish this up and get the seal and everything all taken off. It's like really on there. Anyways, get this all painted back up, and I got the kit coming in. It should be here next week, but I won't be able to do it next week, so we will start working on getting it all put together when I get back and get it put in this thing, see how well it runs. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I don't know. What do you guys think of the wheels? I think that's the one thing everybody's like mixed feelings about. Some people like them, some people don't like them. I like them, but I want to hear what you guys think, because this is going to be a drift car and actually going to be used for that. We are also going to do an episode on this rear end here. This is the one that I got with the car. It is not an LSD rear end. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it apart. We're going to weld the gears together and turn it into a posi rear end so that it can drift a little bit easier around corners, because right now it takes a lot to get the back end broken free. So yeah, we got some stuff coming up. Stay tuned. So hope you guys liked the video. If you haven't subscribed, part of the giveaway for us to do that, you need to subscribe, comment, and like the video. I'm trying to get some subscribers by the end of this year, and it's definitely been helping with some of the new subscribers coming on board. I appreciate that. Like I said, we're going to be working on the 240 over the next few weeks because it is now getting colder. This weekend I have one of my last details I'll be doing for the year. I might take on one or two more to finish it off, but for the most part it's getting super cold at night, getting a little bit harder to do some of the details outside, and as you see, my garage is kind of taken up right now, so we're gonna go from there, and hope you guys like it. See you guys next time. See ya.